Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to this unboxing. So first things up, we got this Chinatown Market baggie, and we got the Chinatown Market Crocs. These are actually going for not cheap, surprisingly. Look at it, look at it, look at it. So there's this funky tie-dye looking look with all the Crocs, whatever it's called. Oh, look at that! It has like a rock climbing kind of whatever this thing is. And yeah, there it is. That's what it looks like. So next one up is gonna be something pretty special, depending on if you're a fan of basketball or whatever. And it is, oh, look at that logo. So this is the Kobe 6 Protro basketball shoes. Look at that. This is in the Grinch colorway, if you can't tell. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is an incredibly hard shoe to wear. But so in this box we got a pack of baseball cards. This is the thing that's already open, but inside we got the Bodega Dunk Highs. So yeah, there it is. It looks like you can tell it looks like a basket. It looks like a baseball. You see, oh, it looks like a baseball glove. Look at that. This is actually a very interesting design. But this is not the important thing that we got. I'm about to do a pack opening with you guys. Here we are, we got the baseball cards. And so there it is, there's the back, that's what it looks like. So I already opened the seal, but let's take it out. So first things up, we got this, I think this is a sticker. We got a Bodega sticker, Bodega Nike sticker. We got another Bodega sticker. We got another Bodega sticker. And we got this Sophie baseball card. Look at that. We got the stats of the dog, of this dog. We got another baseball card, Neighborhood Legend. He's also wearing the Dunks. Look at that. And we got, I think this is a, what is this? I think this is also a sticker. And we got the Bodega store hidden in plain sight. Look at that. Look at this. And we got the Dunk Legend in baseball card form. Look at that. Oh my gosh, we got the stats on the back. And we got the Bodega store. And here's the rare card. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Boom! Boom! If you guys don't know what this is, in their post, one right here, 1 out of 20 customers will get a voucher to claim for the friends and family edition of the Dunk Highs. And as you can see, congratulations, I won it. So this is basically a $2,000 baseball card. That's so crazy, look at that. And then this one is a bigger box. So following up to that trading card, here it is. It's like a few days later, days later, and then we got this red box. What could this red box be? So it's a size 10, and this is, oh, look at that, Bodega tissue paper. And then we got the Bodega Dunk High Legend in the Friends and Family colorway. Oh my gosh, look at that, and I'm running out of battery. Oh my gosh, well, here it is, look at that, look at that. Oh my goodness, the quality of this is A1. So next one is gonna be the Cause Companion figure. Look at how big this thing is, oh my gosh. So this is the one in the black one, so I can't really show you more because it's wrapped in plastic, but yeah, there it is, there's the box. So next up is gonna be, it's a red box, you know what that means. That means that this is gonna be a women's Jordan 1, and it is the Jordan 1 Silver Toes. Look at that, oh my gosh. Look at this, look at all that metallic silver, ooh, ooh. To follow up with that Jordan 1, we got another Jordan 1, but it's in a brown box. Oh my gosh, look at that, it has this little paper, and inside we got this individually wrapped Jordan 1, and it is, let's check it out, the Jordan 1 Zoom in the PSG colorway. So this Jordan 1 is interesting because it has Zoom technology inside it, so it's like a lot more comfortable, but it has like a metallic purple kind of look to it. And This is surprisingly going for a lot, more than the silver toes. And we got another thing from Nike. This is a size 12, but I don't know if you can guess it. Oh, we got the Jordan 11 Jubilee colorway, the 25th anniversary, whatever. So this one is ash blue colorway, the colorway that's exclusive to North America. So there it is. There's no pull tab in the back. Here's the side with the yellowish kind of stripe. There's the front, and yeah, there it is. And this one is the ash blue sister. This is the ash stone in the size 5, the sister to the ash blue. And this is a Yeezy Supply exclusive slash like European exclusive. Man, look at that. Look at the comparison between this and the other one. Pretty much no pull tab, black bottoms. So up next we got a special package. This is different from all the current stuff that we have because, okay, I'm gonna be careful with this. I'm gonna put this on the ground. All right. So we got one Unified Minds Pokemon booster box, and then we got an Ultra Prism Pokemon booster box, and then we got another. We got 2 more Ultra Prism Pokemon booster boxes, and then another Unified Minds booster box, and a Vivid Voltage booster box. So this one is something, and it's ooh, look at this. Oh, look at that. It's the Nike Coast Dunks. Oh my gosh, look at the color. Look at the inside. Look at the outside. Look at the sole. Look at that tongue with the yellow insole. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This one is very different. It's a Yeezy 450, and look at this. Look at this tiny box. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is so tiny. This is the new Yeezy 450, and apparently a lot of people love this shoe because this is going for a pretty penny. This is so tiny. What the heck? Okay, this is a size 5, no wonder, but a lot of people actually like this for whatever reason, or maybe because it's like really limited. That's why people like it. But let me know what you think of it. This is a very interesting shoe. I've never seen something like this before. So this box we got 2 gray Stussy sweatshirts. I'm not gonna take it out of the packaging. And we got 2 Stussy gray sweatpants, and we got 2 Stussy black sweatshirts or sweaters. And this box we just got like a whole bunch of essentials. I'm not gonna mention this anymore. It's already played out. I did too many essentials unboxings already. So the next one is a Yeezy 700. You haven't seen this kind of box in a while, and it's a brand new Yeezy 700 V2s in the cream colorway. Look at that. Look at this. I don't know why a lot of people like it, but a lot of people do like this for whatever reason. I guess the dad shoe trend is coming back again. So this next one is, a lot of people are gonna know it, a lot of people are gonna like it. I understand why this is the cost of what it is. And look at this, it's a purple box. Nike SB, Nike skateboarding. And this is, oh my gosh, are you ready? Look at the tissue paper. Look at the tissue paper. What else is? Oh my gosh! Look, it's a Nike SB's Dunk Low in the black colorway. This is size 8.5. This is actually going for a lot, but it's so crazy how much this is going for. I guess because a lot of employees backdoored it, so there isn't really that many pairs out there. So, oh my gosh! Look at this! Look at this! You get a Supreme gold plated whatever thing that is, medallion, whatever. You get the gold glitter Nike tongue logo. You get the gold glitter Nike logo on the back. You get the gold stars on the Nike Dunk itself. Ooh, ooh, this is so expensive. It's so expensive.